Hey YouTubers, I'm going to tell you about grass seed that actually works and how to do it right, okay? It's Pennington Smart Seed. This is the Texas Bermuda grass right here. And check this out. All I did was take a shovel and do smiley face away. And doom, 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 make a whole bunch of divots there in the ground. And then I put the seed in it. I'll show you how I do it here. Okay, here it is. Here's a spot that's already been done with the shovel. I just take the shovel, smiley face away, okay? Or smiley face looking at you. And take your seed and put it in the crevasses there. Okay, and do not pound it down or seal it or anything. Just make sure the seed gets down in that crevasse, and this stuff will grow. Just water it or wait for good rain and it will look something like this. There we go. We got a spot here where it's all starting to grow. You can see some of the fresh strips here are just coming out. It's about 2 weeks since I did this. It's all coming out nice and green, and it will fill these nasty dead spots that I have really good. So check it out, give it a try. Smart Seed by Pennington.